Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. Hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this easy 5-minute glam, berry tone glam eye makeup look, perfect for any occasion. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with LA Girls concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend that all well, and I'm going to use my fingers instead of a brush to blend that well. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to set that all in place with Colourpop setting powder in the shade translucent. So to begin with, I'm going to use Morphe's 35H Hotspot palette, and I'm going to use a shade called Heat Up. It's a beautiful red color, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease and on the outer third of my eye, and I'm going to place that color and blend that well with a blending brush. And next I'm going to go with the shade called Party On. It's a beautiful berry toned maroon shade. I'm going to go over that red shade and I'm going to blend that all well to create some depth. I'm going to cut my crease with LA Girls concealer in the shade medium beige. I'm going to use the concealer on a flat, thin, flat brush, and I'm going to cut that crease. I'm going to blend that edges of the concealer with the eyeshadow with the help of my fingers so that it looks well blended and there's a nice transition. I'm going to use a shade called Flaunt in the middle part of my eye. I'm going to use my fingers for that, and I'm going to apply that on the wet concealer. I have not set that concealer. Next, for the inner 1/3, I'm going to use the shade called Coral Diving. It's a beautiful coral shimmer shade, and I'm going to apply that all well. Now if you have made some mistakes during the cut crease, you can always clean it. I do this by using an angle brush and the similar shade, and I'm going to clean that crease out. I'm going to use LA Girls concealer in the shade medium beige for my under eye dark circles, and I'm going to allow it to get a little tacky, and I'm going to cover my brows or fill my brows with Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to brush that all well. I'm trying different ways to use a concealer so that it doesn't get smudged or dry. I'm going to blend that concealer and then set that with Colourpop setting powder in the shade Translucent. So this is the setting powder by Colourpop. I really love it because it's finely milled. And I'm going to use the Balm's Merry Luminizer as my brow bone highlight and inner corner highlight as well, so that there's a pop of light in my inner corner. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the same berry and the red tones to smudge out my low waterline. And for the liner, I'm going to use Inglaw's gel liner in number 77, and I'm going to create a nice winged liner. This is the blackest gel liner, guys, and I absolutely love this. I'm going to use Maybelline's Gigi Hadid's liner on my upper waterline, and for the lower waterline I like Wet n Wild's Calling You Buff. It's a beautiful nude shade. I'm loving the nude lower waterline, guys. I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to use Maybelline's Hyper Volume Mascara. You can add falsies if you would like to. And this is a final look, you guys. Very easy cut crease 5-minute berry toned glam eye makeup look, perfect for any occasion, as I always say. So guys, if you liked watching this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, not the like button. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. And guys, please show some love this season to my channel by subscribing, and there are many more short videos on many eye makeup looks, so do give it a try. Till then, take care. Bye bye.